I almost forgot to turn the video on. So, 2 weeks ago, I put this third deep on here, and I'm just opening it up to check the frames. Wow, and I'm at 80%. We've got some bee activity going. Yeah, so I would say this is 80%. Let me kind of get a nice zoom in. So that's at 2 weeks in. Look how quiet and tranquil those bees are. I just gave one smoke at the bottom opening. Wow. Wow, I'm so happy with these bees. They are real producers. And I don't have a queen extruder here. But when I put my super on, I will put a queen extruder. I'm not planning on harvesting anything from this third box. This is the first year for this hive, and I really want a nice strong hive. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at these little bees go. Look at that, just dripping. Get a nice close-up. And so I do kind of want to clean that up just a little bit in there. Just right down the center there. Dang, a lot of nectar. There's my second frame. There's a little bit of capping going on in the corner of this third frame. They're doing a very nice job of keeping the comb on the frame. There was a little bit on the outside box there, but I am not seeing any brood. I'm not seeing where the queen's been up here in this box as of yet. Capping, capping, no laying. Oh, wow. Capping, capping, no laying. Capping, capping, no laying. Wow. Okay. And I am just moving these back into place. The queen must be active, as productive as this hive is. I've not seen her, but I really wasn't looking for her. This hive never ceases to amaze me. I was not expecting to see 80% bee population, a lot of nectar, a lot of capping, no brood, no evidence that the queen has been up in this box. And I'm not really surprised. I did think I was going to see maybe a little bit of laying, a little bit of something, but I did not. Okay.